Hey guys, David HD Trucks and Equip right here in fabulous Henderson, Tennessee. And you know what? You guys know us for kind of the bigger stuff. But we came across such a beautiful little truck here, we just couldn't afford to let it go. This thing is so nice. This is a 2019 Chevrolet HD 3500. 2019. Wow, what a pretty grille on this. That is so cool. It's got the front tow hooks on it. It's got the chrome grille. That's actually kind of functional, little air thing right there. It's got the factory sport wheels on it, even on the dualies back there. Tires are good, and it is a crew cab. Got a really nice little Monroe body on back here. It's got the integral tail lights and turn signals and all that. Diamond plate on the side. All steel construction up here. No wood to go bad. This is kind of cool. You got a little lever right there. You just give that a little pull, and then that will go down. And now you can leave it down like that if you need something that's maybe just a little wider. Or you can load it with a forklift, or you can just slide something heavy on it and not have to worry about lifting it over that little lip right there. And when you're done, you just put that back in there again. It's just like that one over there. Now this stuff won't fall off the side. Kind of a nice little treat. It is the Duramax diesel. Thing runs out just so nice. I drove it home myself last night, about 6 hours. Runs exactly like it looks like it should. Such a nice little truck. 2019 1-ton dually sport wheels crew cab, and it is loaded up on the inside. Look at the interior on this. This is like new. Headliner. I always like to show you the headliner because I know what happens. You look at some of these things and it looks like a Tasmanian devil was turned loose in them. Not on this one. Actually, not on any of ours. Look at here. It's got the integral turn signals built in right there. Such a nice little piece. There's your little turn signal for the back. Crew cab, of course, you got your little reclining seat right there. You got your little work center right here. Beverage holders, and you can flip that up. Now you got 6 passenger seating. Power locks, power windows, and holy mackerel, she's a 4x4, kids. Common Duramax diesel and Allison automatic transmission. Now there's a nice match right there. What a pretty truck. I really like this truck. Nice little turn signal, so pretty. So power locks, power windows, power mirrors, automatic headlights, factory trailer brake controller, cruise control, tilt wheel. Oh man, I tell you what, this thing has it all. I lied to you, by the way. That's windshield wipers, cruise control is here. Engine hours, got a whole 39.99, call it 4,000. 4,000 hours, that's it. And if you look at the odometer on the bottom down there, she's only got 156,000. And it's running, look at there. Now, you know what you don't see? You don't see check engine lights. We don't do that here. So, AM, FM stereo, it's got all kinds of stuff with it right there. You can use your phone on it. Settings, you can set it, temperature, time, temperature, it gives you all that kind of good stuff. Air conditioning, heater controls, temperature controls, and look at here. There's your rear lights, traction control, exhaust brake, gotta have that, factory PTO prep, and then you got some extra switches there in case you want to add some fog lights or do something on your own. Got a nice little console up here. It's got a nice little sunglass holder, visors. There's your little speakers for the telephone. Nice. You got grab bars above the doors. Such a nice little truck, so clean. 2019. Wow. Duramax. Allison automatic 4x4, loaded up, locks, windows, tilt cruise, all the good toys. Sport, factory sport wheels. Nice Monroe body on there. Such a pretty truck. Barely got 150-some thousand miles on it. She is ready to work, kids. If you can use that beautiful truck, you know what to do. You give me a call right here at HD Trucks and Equip. My personal cell phone number is 602-510-5444. And as always, I greatly appreciate you looking.